Advanced ML Engineer Interview Practice Questions, Set 2. Question 1. Which of the following is a technique for boosting in machine learning? A. Gradient boosting. B. K-means clustering. C. Principal component analysis. D. Support vector machines. The correct answer is A. Gradient boosting. Gradient boosting combines multiple weak learners for better predictive performance. Question 2. What is the main purpose of hyperparameter tuning in machine learning? A. To improve models' accuracy. B. To reduce overfitting. C. To optimize learning speed. D. To select the correct features. The correct answer is A. To improve models' accuracy. Hyperparameter tuning enhances the model's performance by selecting optimal hyperparameters. Question 3. What is a key difference between supervised and unsupervised learning? A. Supervised learning requires labeled data. B. Unsupervised learning requires labeled data. C. Supervised learning cannot handle classification tasks. D. Unsupervised learning uses reinforcement signals. The correct answer is A. Supervised learning requires labeled data. Supervised learning uses labeled data to train the model and predict outputs. Question 4. Which algorithm would you use for a binary classification problem? A. Linear regression. B. K-means clustering. C. Logistic regression. D. Principal component analysis. The correct answer is C. Logistic regression. Logistic regression is used for predicting categorical outcomes, including binary classification. Question 5. What is the purpose of regularization in machine learning models? A. Reduce training time. B. Prevent overfitting. C. Increase model complexity. D. Optimize feature selection. The correct answer is B. Prevent overfitting. Regularization adds penalties to the loss function to prevent the model from overfitting. Question 6. What does the term gradient descent refer to in machine learning? A. A method for optimizing weights in deep networks. B. A method for finding the optimal model architecture. C. A method for handling missing data. D. A method for normalizing data features. The correct answer is A. A method for optimizing weights in deep networks. Gradient descent iteratively adjusts model parameters to minimize the loss function. Question 7. Which of the following algorithms is best for regression tasks? A. K-nearest neighbors. B. Logistic regression. C. Support vector machine. D. Linear regression. The correct answer is D. Linear regression. Linear regression is specifically designed to predict continuous values for regression tasks. Question 8. Which of these is a method for dimensionality reduction? A. K-means clustering. B. Principal component analysis. C. Support vector machines. D. Naive Bayes. The correct answer is B. Principal component analysis. PCA reduces the dimensionality of data while retaining variance in the data. Question 9. What is an advantage of using random forest over decision trees? A. It provides more interpretability. B. It is more prone to overfitting. C. It reduces variance by averaging multiple decision trees. D. It requires less computational power. The correct answer is C. It reduces variance by averaging multiple decision trees. Random forest averages predictions from multiple decision trees, reducing variance and overfitting. Question 10. Which of the following is a characteristic of a convolutional neural network? A. It is suitable for sequential data. B. It uses convolutional layers for feature extraction. C. It requires a large amount of labeled data. D. It is only used for time series data. The correct answer is B. It uses convolutional layers for feature extraction. CNNs are specialized for image and spatial data, using convolutions to extract features. Question 11. Which of the following is a characteristic of recurrent neural networks? A. They process sequential data by using feedback loops. B. They use pooling layers to extract features. C. They do not require labeled data. D. They work well for image classification tasks. The correct answer is A. They process sequential data by using feedback loops. RNNs are designed to handle sequential data and have memory through feedback loops. Question 12. What is overfitting in machine learning? A. The model generalizes well to new data. B. The model performs well only on training data. C. The model underperforms on training data. D. The model ignores important features. The correct answer is B. The model performs well only on training data. Overfitting occurs when the model learns to perform too well on training data but fails on new data. Question 13. What is bias in the context of machine learning models? A. Error caused by an overly complex model. B. Error caused by overly simplistic assumptions in the model. C. Error caused by random fluctuations in the data. D. Error caused by incorrect data labeling. The correct answer is B. Error caused by overly simplistic assumptions in the model. Bias refers to errors introduced by overly simplistic assumptions made by the model. Question 14. Which of the following is the purpose of the softmax function? A. To scale output to range 0 to 1 for probabilities. B. To optimize loss in neural networks. C. To perform feature scaling. D. To improve training speed. The correct answer is A. To scale output to range 0 to 1 for probabilities. Softmax converts raw outputs into probabilities by scaling them to the range 0, 1. Question 15. What is the main advantage of using gradient boosting over other algorithms? A. It reduces model complexity. B. It can handle unstructured data like images. C. It combines multiple weak learners to improve predictive power. D. It requires less memory. The correct answer is C. It combines multiple weak learners to improve predictive power. Gradient boosting iteratively combines weak models to correct previous errors and improve accuracy. Question 16. In machine learning, what is a feature? A. A mathematical operation to optimize the model. B. An input variable used for making predictions. C. A type of neural network layer. D. A hyperparameter used in training models. The correct answer is B. An input variable used for making predictions. Features are input variables that provide the information used to make predictions in a model. Question 17. What does batch normalization do in deep learning models? A. Normalizes the weights of the model. B. Reduces the training time by reducing the learning rate. C. Reduces internal covariate shift to speed up training. D. Improves regularization by adding noise to the activations. The correct answer is C. Reduces internal covariate shift to speed up training. Batch normalization stabilizes learning by normalizing intermediate layer activations, improving training efficiency. Question 18. What is the purpose of cross-validation in machine learning? A. To tune hyperparameters. B. To evaluate the model's performance on unseen data. C. To select the best model architecture. D. To train the model with all available data. The correct answer is B. to evaluate the model's performance on unseen data. Cross-validation helps assess a model's generalization by using different subsets for training and testing. Question 19. Which of the following is a benefit of using neural networks? A. They are easy to interpret. B. They can model complex nonlinear relationships. C. They do not require large datasets. D. They work best for tabular data. The correct answer is B. They can model complex nonlinear relationships. Neural networks are powerful tools for capturing complex nonlinear patterns in data. Question 20. What is a common drawback of using deep learning models? A. They require large amounts of labeled data. B. They cannot handle unstructured data. C. They perform poorly on small datasets. D. They do not require a lot of computational resources. The correct answer is A. They require large amounts of labeled data. Deep learning models need large datasets for effective training and generalization.